Hey guys, so I'm going to hang a pegboard in this wall that you see behind me here so I can finally get my tools more organized in this room. And I'll show you, this is the board I've got. I picked up 2 sheets of this size. I think they're 2x4. Okay, so I got 2 sheets of that size and I'm going to hang them here. I'm going to take these shelves off. And then I'm going to paint these boards, and the colors I'm choosing between are these ones. So I'm thinking either like, I kind of want like a salmon-y peach color. So my top contenders are this one, or this one, or this one. And I was originally leaning between this, but then I kind of like the pink hue in this, but I don't know. So I'm kind of really debating between these two. But you will find out which color I pick by the end of this video, because I am going to hang some furring strips, I think that's what it's called, to the studs in this wall so I can get these attached. But before I attach them, I'm going to prime and paint them. So I just have to pick a color here and then run over to the store and get it. But first, I'm gonna get to priming. So yeah, let's jump in, and then finally, it'll be so nice to have my tools organized, because right now they're just sort of all over the place on the floor, and I really just wanna get them organized. So yeah, let's do it. Studs marked, and they're every 16 inches, which is standard. That's what you should see, and that's when you know that you've marked them accurately. There are times when they're not 16 inches apart, like in one of my walls in my living room, it was 32 inches, it was missing a stud in between, and it turns out it was because there used to be an opening going between the 2 rooms that had since been closed off. So, but in general, at least in Canada, where I live, they're 16 inches apart. So I've marked them all, and now I know where to secure these furring strips, which I'm going to then attach the, what's this called again? Pegboard, which I'll attach the pegboard to. So yeah, I just want to get the furring strips installed before I paint it for some reason. I don't know, gives me more motivation to actually like get it painted, because then I know it can actually be hung soon. So yeah, okay, gonna do that. so this is where I've left off. I put up my tools kind of just randomly for now and figure I can make adjustments as I go. That's the whole good thing about the like pins that come in and out. Yeah, and I'm not so sure how I feel about the color, honestly. I feel like it kind of looks so similar to just like the color of what the pegboard was originally, if that makes sense. I don't know, like I feel okay about it. Let me show you what my inspiration photo was. I'll just pop it on the screen here. And that's sort of why I went with this color. I think maybe it'll look better once I do build out the lower. I want to build like a counter height going all the way across here, and then I'll make that either a dark green or a black, probably a dark green. I actually have some leftover paint that I used for my front door, and it's in Essex Green by Benjamin Moore, so I'll probably just use that again because I really like it. And that's similar to my inspiration photo, and I feel like the reason I'm not loving this color is because it's just standing alone with the white. But I think once I, pair it with the dark green, hopefully it'll look better. So yeah, this is kind of where I'm at. I'm happy I finally got this part done, so this room's sort of feeling like it's coming together. Actually, let me just kind of take you on a little tour of the room so you can see. So where the camera is placed right now, you're just right in front of the window. But if I spin you around here, you can see down below my pegboard, I've got this table, and I figure for now, I'll just use this sort of like as a countertop for projects. And then I'll spin you around there. I've got some extra wood, and then window, and there's my table saw. And then I have a few tools stored in the closet here, and then I also have some more power tools, like handheld power tools stored in this cabinet, as well as just some other craft supplies like paints and a few other things. So yeah, that's where we're at. This room is still very much a work in progress, but I'm taking a break from it because honestly it's not that, I really want to get back into doing something in the house. So I think this will be functional enough for now, and I'm gonna jump back into the house and I'm gonna try to finally finish up my floors. So that'll likely be the next video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.